Hello again, and welcome to this overview of the CA Workload Automation Database Agent. As part of this session, we will look at the available job types, the supported databases, and the installation requirements. We will also review an example use case and close with a demonstration. The database agent allows the use of 4 additional job types. Let's take a look at these in a little more detail. Database monitor jobs can be used to detect a row increase or decrease within a table. Stored procedure jobs allow a procedure to be executed within a database. Database trigger jobs will create a trigger within the database. This can be configured to monitor a table for rows that have been added, deleted, and/or updated. SQL jobs provide the ability to execute SQL queries. The databases currently supported by this agent are IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, Sybase, and Teradata. The full database support matrix can be located on the CA Support website, support.ca.com. During the database agent installation, you will be asked to provide some details associated to your system. You will be prompted for the database type, host, and port number. Depending upon the database type, the SID or the database name will also be required. The installer will also request database user credentials. This database connection string will be stored within the agentpalm.txt file on your system. The JDBC driver associated to your database must be situated within the jars ext directory. This can be found within the agent install directory on your server. Please consider the creation of an alias agent name. Doing so provides the ability to secure the database agent. Please note that we recommend the use of alias agents for users of CA Workload Automation D-Series. These CA websites put a wealth of information at your fingertips. Should you have any unanswered questions, please feel free to post them on the CA Communities website, communities.ca.com. This is the global collaboration site for CA employees, partners, and customers. In the event of any issues, please raise a CA support case via the support portal, support.ca.com. Our team of highly skilled technicians will be pleased to assist you. Let's take a look at an example use case. ACE Limited is a fashion retailer who have recently purchased stock from a designer. The designer is due a royalties payment when 1,000 units have been sold. ACE Limited track their sales within a database. The database agent could be used to automatically recognize when this sales target has been achieved. Further automation could then be triggered to transfer the royalties payment to the designer. Now let's review the database job types that could be used to achieve ACE Limited's use case. Let's take a look at a database monitor job. Looking solely at the job attributes associated to a database monitor job, we can see that there is one mandatory field, the table name. The monitor type field allows you to specify which monitor type you would like to use. We can select increase, decrease, or variance within this field. The monitor condition field allows you to add a condition to be monitored. In this example, where units sold is greater than 999. The database connection string at the job level can be used to override the database connection string that was added at the time the agent was installed. In this particular case, the job will connect using the connection string stored within the agentpalm.txt file. Users of an Oracle database may specify an Oracle user role in this field. A continuous database monitor will continue to monitor for the condition each time it is satisfied. Next, let's look at a DB trigger job. Again, concentrating solely on the attributes associated to a database trigger, we can see there are three mandatory fields here: the table name, the database type, and the trigger type. The table name is associated to the table within which you would like the trigger to be created and that you would like to monitor. The database type allows you to select the database type you are wishing to monitor. The trigger type allows you to select one or more of the delete, insert, and update statements. Similar to the database monitor job, a trigger condition can be added into this job. The continuous setting may also be selected. Within this particular job, we have specified a database connection string. Oracle users may select an Oracle user role for this particular job. Next, let's take a look at a database procedure job. Database stored procedure jobs have only one mandatory field, and that is the name of the stored procedure you wish to run. The result type field can be used to specify the data type of the stored procedure results. Within a database stored procedure job, we have the ability to specify parameters. There are three parameters available: in, out, and out. If you are using database parameters, then you need to specify the parameter name, the data type, the value, and select whether or not you wish the output of the stored procedure to be returned. Parameter lists can be managed via the Select menu here. Items can be added, reordered, and deleted by selecting the item, selecting the appropriate action, and clicking Go before committing to the database. Database stored procedure jobs allow you to add a success criteria. This acts as a regular expression to match the output of your stored procedure. The database connection string can be specified again here, and Oracle users may once again use an Oracle user role. The last job type to take a look at is the SQL job. The SQL job has one mandatory field, the SQL command. Within an SQL job, you can specify a destination file. This destination file is the location to which the SQL command output will be written. If a destination file is not specified, the output will be written to the spool file associated to that particular job. Again, a regular expression can be used for a success criteria. The database connection string, as we've seen in the previous job types, and once again, Oracle users may use an Oracle user role. This concludes our review of the database agent job types. Thank you for watching.